Very good morning to one and all. I am very happy to share my views with this Bodhivriksha Life Literacy Academy. This academy is doing a wonderful service to the children's, particularly literacy mission, and encourage the students to develop all-round development and need and requirements of the present day. This academy is performing a wonderful duty. Bodhivriksha Academy. I'm very much happy to share my views with this Bodhivriksha Academy. Is doing a lot of work to enhance the skill and knowledge among the common man as well as the students. They have integrity with many other colleges and schools and motivating the children the day-to-day need in addition to their regular curricula and regular studies. The Bodhivriksha in this, I would like to mention few information related to the aquaculture activities and encourage the aquaculture activities among the farmers as well as the students, particularly the wastelands, the land which is not used for agriculture. Such type of lands we can make it a small pond and introduce the highly useful variety and fast growing variety fishes and cultivate and get an additional profit for the farmers. At the same time, entrepreneurs development aspects, we can encourage the students to self-sustain, to maintain and manage and construct the aquaria and aquarium fishes. And this helps the student, they can themselves can stand and by starting the stalls and entrepreneur in this field. The government of Karnataka also encouraging inland as well as marine fisheries. Yes, in the northern part of Karnataka, yes, where there are a lot of resources available for inland aquaculture practices. It is a need of a day to encourage the farmers to gain a lot of additional income in addition to the regular agriculture practices. Yes, today the fish is one of the important nutrition and diet among the majority group of the people. Hence, the fish meat have a lot of vitamins and minerals and high quality protein, and at the same time, which is highly useful for the growth and development of the human beings. So that this is a need of a day to improve fishery wealth also. This Bodhivriksha Academy giving lot of scope to improve the skills among the people apart from their studies in the sense, suppose if they want to have to self-sustain aspects, this academy giving a lot of encouragements. And at the same time, this academy has the value and the vision of the promoting sustainable practices and environmental consciousness in all aspects of life, particularly a common man. I am very happy to say a few words and in addition to the regular activities, even aquaculture practices and conservation and monitoring of biodiversity and preserve the nature with clean and green. Thank you one and all.